Hi everyone! And here we are, the final episode of the 12 Days of Christmas Ornament series. I thought it would be fun to wrap everything up by packaging all of the ornaments neatly into this box, one by one, and giving each little creation its moment to shine. If you've been following along with this series, you already know that one lucky winner will be receiving this entire set of handmade ornaments. So stick around until the end to find out who the lucky winner is. We are starting with the very first ornament of the series, the partridge and the pear. This one will always feel special because it kicked off the whole project. Next up is the soft and peaceful turtle dove. For day 3, we have the French hen, and this one is probably my favorite ornament in the entire collection. And here comes the calling bird with its sweet little embroidered accents. Number 5 is the golden ring, simple and elegant. Day 6 is a goose with a charming design. Day 7 is the graceful and calming swan. For day 8 we have the maid a-milking. And day 9 the little dancing shoes representing the lady dancing. Day 10 is the elegant Lord a-leaping. Day 11 the piper piping with musical details that made this ornament such a joy to stitch. And finally, day 12, the drummer drumming. A perfect finish to the collection that ties the whole story together. All of these ornaments came from a lovely book by Corinne Lapierre called 12 Days of Christmas Felt Decorations. If you haven't made them yet, I really hope you'll give it a try. I've listed the links to all the tutorials as well as a link to Corinne's book in the description box below. And now for the best part. Let's see who the lucky winner is. We didn't have a huge number of entries this time, so if you left a comment, your chances are actually pretty good. Everyone who qualified is right here in this little jar. So let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Jill! You are now the new owner of this entire set of Christmas ornaments. I hope they bring you joy and that you proudly display them on your Christmas tree for many years to come. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!